All right, folks, Dooley. So we have an activity this morning called the Cheek Retractor Challenge, where we'll have to insert a cheek retractor and then try to say some phrases and figure out what the other is saying. And I think the toughest part of this is just to put in the cheek.
So wait, not yet. Where are the sentences going to come up, Lauren?
Well, it can be on the
screen because we're going to see it.
Hold on. What's up?
What in the world? Your teeth? No, your lips are supposed to be in between this. That looks painful.
What's up? Yeah, this is correct. Right now, I can't hear what I'm saying, so it can't correct. All right.
Okay.
Hold on, here's the go.
Okay.
Go on. All right. Watch it. Judy. So, hold on. Ready? Red beans and dragon rice. Take out chairs. Yeah. All right.
But the problem is putting it back in. Baked beans and brown rice, did you say?
That's exactly what you said.
That's pretty good.
I can just do all that one first.
Okay.
Red peppers are in an omelette. Come on.
What?
Red peppers
Red peppers.
are in an omelette.
You what?
Red peppers are in an omelette. Red peppers? Okay.
Red peppers. Bell
peppers are in an omelette. Bell.
Humpty Dumpty wrote the teapot.
Poor Humpty. Humpty Dumpty broke the teapot.
Beautiful.
Oh, wait, Drew, you're drooling.
Come on.
Who like breadfruit?
Big belly.
Big belly who? Big belly Rob.
Big belly
Bob.
Bob.
Oh, why you take it out? You
Stop
finished?
my thing done. Your time.
Oh my God.
When you get all again.
Okay.
This part of this is just to put in or something. Who makes this? And by the way, what is this supposed to be for in real life?
It's dentists use it to keep people's mouth open when they're doing procedures.
No. You have never looked so beautiful. Serious. If I never want to marry you before, it's now I want to marry you. You don't fix yours outside they want to fix. That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
No, you are beautiful.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Come on, the show's soon done. The show's soon done.
Say what?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to say. Either.
What?
Somebody picked too many apple. Pepper. What that? Peter Piper? No, you know, so-and-so do you know? Look like you don't want to take it out. There's
Round banana orange.
something banana.
Orange.
You know, say, The more I look
Round.
at, the more I look at you, the more ugly I get.
Round.
If right.
Round.
Shoes, brown. Yeah?
Banana.
Brown banana.
Muffins.
Brown banana turn yellow. After it brown.
Muffins. Muffins.
What?
That you eat? Pastry? Muffins.
Oh, yeah, Julie all over the place. Wait, sir. Brown banana muffins. Well, I read it right there, so by the way. Oh, you can't put it up and I'm supposed to be
Oh,
there.
God. Here,
Last
here.
one, last one.
I'm not a critter. This Matty likes corned beef.
Miss Matty like corned beef. This is a very simple thing.
Ah,
Miss Matty, who's Miss Matty?
please
by
pass the rest and peas.
the way? Please pass the rice and peas.
Okay. Free me, Jesus, from the shackles of this horrible.
I think that alone should make the producer get fired.
Honestly,
Serious.
you couldn't get brown banana muffins?
Almost get
I was articulating so clearly.
Who only said this for again?
Oh, ja. The dentist uses it to keep your mouth open when they're doing different types of procedures.
By the way, what is happening now? You can't talk?
My
We soon
articulators
come.
are suffering.
We soon come.
Miss Matty likes corned beef.